You find your coffee cup, Mike?
No.
Okay, it's over here.
Everyone, welcome back. Follow us as we go through the attics, the crawl spaces, the garages, the basements, clock shops, watch shops, all across the country, and find these beautiful gems to show you. Today, we're featuring a Levin 10mm lathe. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Clock Shop. This is Jim with JR Clocker on eBay. Today I'm featuring this Levin 10mm lathe body with chip tray. It also has a water pump. Here's the motor. I would lubricate the motor and whatever you have to do before use, but this is the stand. Everything is for sale. I don't know if there's anything. I don't know if there's anything in drawers. Some dirt. That's free. Anyway, let me get some vitals here. It powers up. The motor wants to run. I think this belt is a little sticky. Anyway, I didn't want to push it too far. It does come with this drawbar, 10mm drawbar, Levin. Anyway, let's get around the other side here. There's some more power there. I guess power right here as well. Anyway. I'll be posting it on eBay for buy it now, and it will be pickup only.